Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.9% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair drove 2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street is mixed after reports showed the US economy continues to storm ahead, despite much higher interest rates that have already lashed the stock market. Some big-name companies also warned about an uncertain global economy hitting their profits. Bitcoin's supply has become increasingly constrained, with exchange balances dropping to a 5-year low and making the asset primed for a potential supply shock. Matt Weller, global head of research at Forex.com, said the US dollar was modestly higher against a basket of currencies after data showed the US economy grew at its fastest pace in nearly 2 years in the third quarter, once again defying dire warnings of a recession that have lingered since 2022.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT. Spain's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. Australia's producer price index will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Spain's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The US personal income at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.